Ever been told that investing is for the rich and famous? Same here. Yet the $20 bill I'm crumpling right now was enough to spark the whole thing. No trust fund, no crypto roulette, just plain vanilla moves anyone can copy. Stick around. I'll walk you through the exact no-filter plan that's quietly compounding while I sleep. Waiting for enough is like waiting for that perfect selfie. Never happens. The trick isn't the amount, it's the habit plus the clock. $20 today, another 20 next week, and so on. 10 years at a 9% average market return? About $17K. Stretch it to 30 and we're flirting with $120K plus. That's one Andrew Jackson a week, cheaper than a DoorDash tip. Before you hit buy, pick the right wrapper. In the US, a Roth IRA is the beginner cheat code. Money goes in after tax, grows tax-free, and Uncle Sam keeps his mitts off at retirement. No Roth? A plain brokerage works. Taxes come due only when you sell. I opened both on an app that offers fractional shares and zero commissions. 8 minutes, pajamas still on. Index funds are the microwave popcorn of investing. Set it and quit it. My first $20 went into VTI, Vanguard's total stock market ETF, because it owns a sliver of every public company from Apple to the bakery you've never heard of. Expense ratio? 0.03%. That's 3 pennies for every 100 I hand over. Compare that to your buddy's flashy fund charging 1.5% and still underperforming the market. Humans are flaky. Direct deposit isn't. Every Friday, right after my paycheck lands, $20 slips from checking to brokerage before I can spend it on another pair of sneakers. The transfer is my financial bodyguard, protecting me from my worst enemy, me. Skeptics? Here come the numbers. 20 a week equals $1,040 a year. Historical U.S. market since 1926? About 10% before inflation, call it 7% after. Plug that into any free compound calculator, and the chart curls up like a hockey stick. $17K in 10 years, $120K in 30, all for the cost of 2 overpriced lattes. Markets hiccup. In 2022, the S&P dropped 19%. My tiny account looked wilted, but I kept feeding it $20 every week. Why? Because nobody rings a bell at the bottom and time in beats timing every time. Market crash tomorrow. Great! My 20 buys more shares on sale. Black Friday for future millionaires. Some of you are itching to drop $500 a trade. Cool. But right now, the goal is proving to yourself you can stick to something for 30 days without goosting it like a bad Tinder date. Once the habit's locked, any raise or side hustle cash can double the weekly deposit without drama. The system's alive. You're just feeding it more. Want the exact checklist I used? Screenshots plus the referral link that scored me a free stock? Grab the PDF below. 3-minute read, zero fluff, saves you from doom scrolling Google. I'm opening the app, no cuts. Tap trade, type VTI, market order, $20, swipe. Done. Shares purchased, 0.085. Not even a whole share. And that's the beauty. Fractional shares mean your money works today. No waiting poolside until you can afford a full Amazon slice. A week later, the balance reads $20.74. I didn't time anything, I just showed up. That extra 74 cents feels like a participation trophy now, but multiply by hundreds of weeks and it's a down payment on a mountain cabin. Behavior beats brilliance. Waiting for the perfect moment? Today is it. Checking the balance every hour? Plants don't grow faster if you stare. YOLOing into the latest meme stock because of a rocket emoji. Diversification isn't buzzword bingo, it's insurance against your own ego. Next month, I'm adding a second $20 weekly. Half to VTI, half to BND, Vanguard Total Bond ETF, to smooth out volatility as I age. Same process, automatic, boring, beautiful. I'll post updates every quarter, so hit subscribe if you want the scoreboard. Grab the 20 burning a hole in your wallet. Yeah, the one earmarked for fries and regret. Open a brokerage, pick a broad index, set an automatic transfer. Boom! You're an investor. See you at the finish line. Coffee's on me when our dividends are footing the tab.